Hello friends, today we are going to discuss primitive system data types in APN. Before begin with this session, I have one question for all of you. Which of the following data type cannot be referenced using a constant? Custom data type, text, user or document? I will answer it at the end of this video. So please comment your answer before that. Before understanding primitive system data types, we need to understand various variable types used in APN. We are holding data in various types of inputs, which are process variables, node inputs, node outputs, rule inputs, data store entities, or constants. The data used in APN must conform to certain data types. APN data type can be one of the system types or a custom data type built from an XSD, a Java component, or imported from a WSDL by the Call Web Service Smart Service. Before knowing about various system data types, we need to know about what these actually are. A system data type is a required format of data stored in APN and includes primitive types and complex types. Each system data type can be used to store either a single value or a list of values. We have 8 primitive system data types in APN, which are Boolean, date, date and time, encrypted text, number decimal, number integer, text, time. We will go through each of them one by one. Boolean. This primitive type includes true or false value. One is accepted as a literal value meaning yes. 0 is accepted as literal value meaning no. The default value is null, which appears as empty value in a process variable. The output of an empty value boolean in an expression depends on the function used. You can populate the value using results from the true or false functions. The two boolean function can be used to convert true slash false and 0 slash 1 values into boolean data type values. Date. Data in a date format can be created using the date function. Variables that have a date type do not accept text strings as an input. The default value for date is empty value. The minimum value is 1000 and maximum value is 12319999. Date values are not adjusted to a different time zone when saved or displayed. Numerical and text values can be converted to a date value using toDate function. Date and time. Date and time format data can be created using date time function. Variable that holds a date and time data type refer to a point of time that is the same for all users. Date and time variable do not accept text string as input. A date and time value is saved in GMT, then converted to the end user's time zone when displayed. GMT is the default time zone used when evaluating expressions that include date and time values. You can specify a different time zone in your process model properties. The time zone used for display can be the user's preferred time zone, a globally specified time zone, or the time zone context. If a function expects a date and time value and you pass it a date, The date is automatically converted to a date and time value using 12 am for the time component. Numerical and text values can be converted to a date and time value using toDateTime function. Encrypted text. This type is used to store an encrypted text value. An encrypted text value remains encrypted when stored on disk. The encryption key is unique to each installation. An encrypted text value can be created in one of the following ways. Enter by a user in a encrypted text field component generated in a plugin using the encryption service public Java API. And last one is an encrypted text value is only decrypted when displayed as the value in an encrypted text field or within a plugin using the encryption service public API. An encrypted value is larger than the corresponding plain text value. Specifically, the value stored in memory or on disk will be the lowest multiple of 16 byte that is greater than the size of corresponding plain component value in bytes. The data type does not provide any additional access controls. Encrypted text entered by one user may be decrypted and displayed to another user if that user has permission to view the interface in which the value is displayed. A value of the type encrypted text cannot be cast to any other type and no other type can be cast to it. Number decimal. It holds numerical data stored as double precision floating point decimal number. The default value is 0.0. For PVs, if you enter a number that exceeds the maximum number of digits supported by the double precision floating points, the number is truncated down to the maximum number of digits when you save the process model. It does not provide you with a warning message if this occurs. Decimal number can be created from text string using toDecimal function. Number integer. It holds value of size up to 4 bytes. The default value is 0. When a value that exceeds the number integer range is converted to number integer from a string in an engine server, that excessive value is changed to the maximum value. When an arithmetic operation creates a number integer value that exceeds the type's limit, the value wraps. On task forms, the number form component prevent entry of values outside of the valid range. For PVs, if you enter a value that exceeds the number integer range, the integer will be replaced with a null value when you save the process model. The process modeler does not provide you with a warning message if this occurs. Integer value can be created from text string using toInteger function. Text and time. Text type is used to store any UTF-8 text string. Numerical value can be entered into the text data type. However, data manipulation cannot be performed on the text data except for reports aggregations. The default value is empty value. To display text, enclose it within double quotation mark. Time. Time data can be created using the time function. Variables that have a time data type do not accept text string input. Time values are not adjusted to different time zone when saved or displayed. Now let's solve the question. Question was which of the following data type cannot be referenced using a constant? The answer is custom data type. When you are trying to create a constant in your application, you won't be able to select a CDT as type. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for listening and God bless you all.